What's up guys, welcome back to the Hack Store, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download iOS 13 on your iPhone, iPadOS. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I have put the link in the description. Just open this and it will open in Safari, and just you guys need to tap on allow, and here you can see iOS 13 and iPadOS 13 beta software. So just tap on it, install, type your passcode and hit install, and tap on install profile, and the iPhone or iPad will require restart. So for this video I'm not gonna do this. So this is video on how to install iOS 13. So thank you guys. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe my channel, and I'm out. Peace.